Hey everybody, Kerry from Babs Speed Warehouse here. We're doing a review on the Slurping Dragon in South Fort Myers. It's off 6 Mile Cypress. Well, you know where the Walmart is at 6 Mile Cypress and 41. You'd head down 6 Mile Cypress on the left-hand side. There's about 5 businesses. It's got Dunkin' Donuts. It's got the Slurping Dragon. It has a seafood restaurant. It's in there. Now, normally in our videos, we talk as we're eating, but we couldn't in this one, or we can't let you listen to it because it had music in there that's copyrighted that YouTube won't allow us to put on there. So I'm going to do a voiceover on it. I'm going to give you my overall impression of the restaurant up front. It's kind of like, what is that, Panda Express, but with ramen. It's got no soul, the restaurant. The ramen was good. It was tasty. The broth had no depth to me. Babs liked it a lot, but we haven't had ramen in a while, and I think she was just really starving for some ramen. And she liked it a little bit more than I did. It just seemed to have no love in it. It was put out. It was nicely done. No depth, no love. Would I go back? Yeah, sure. Why not? If there's not a place I can get ramen closer. I did think it was expensive. We had, each of us got ramen. She got chicken. I got beef. We each had a soda. And we had one order of egg rolls. That's 2 egg rolls, 1 order, or spring rolls. We shared it, and the total was $44. So you guys be the judge of it. I don't know the going price of ramen is today. So we're going to do a voiceover. We're going to show you. We're going to go and show you what we filmed of it because it is quite pretty, and you'll see what I mean by the place has no soul. I don't know if anybody's been to the Dumpling King, the Dim Sum King, over near Gulf Coast Town Center, but it kind of reminded me of that. Kind of like fast food, a little better than fast food, not as good as casual dining, and no ethnicity. I mean, just no ethnicity. And they are looking to franchise it. This is the only location. They are looking to franchise it in the future. I wish them well in that. Maybe this country needs a place that you get a fast bowl of ramen because it did come out fast. Well, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Here we go. Okay, so here we are on the inside. It's kind of sterile. Again, no real ethnicity. That's got a dragon on the wall. But heck, I could be ordering a sandwich here. This is the board. It's got some Asian dishes. It's got ramen. I don't know why it turned blue like that. It has rice bowls. I think it's got fried rice. And it's got bao. I don't know if I pronounced that right. B-A-O sandwiches that look pretty good. I kind of like bao sandwiches. I like that steamed flowers. So here you are. Babs got a bottle. I got a fountain drink. So they have fountain drinks and they have bottles. And here's a ramen. It looks good. A beautiful soft-boiled egg. Lots of vegetables on top. Broth looks good. Visually, it's pretty good. The metal plates, I'm not so sure about. Skip One does the same metal plates. Kind of not the kind of plate I'm kind of expecting, but it's not a big deal, the plate. And Babs likes it. Babs thinks this is nice and aesthetic, and it does. It's very aesthetic. Getting out the chopsticks. Babs is a master at the chopsticks. She's now moved it all around and tasting the broth. The broth looks really good. But there's no depth. It's a good broth. It's not a great broth. The soft-boiled eggs are perfect, though. Those are peas on top of them. They're not mold. Those are peas. The spring roll, it's just okay. It's just okay. This place reminds me of Panda Express. to the next picture. So this is on the outside of it. It looks like it should be a chain. It's not a chain, but I think it's a chain want to be. They said they're not a chain yet, and I think this is the only one of them. We only tried the ramen and the egg rolls, and the ramen is good. Babs liked it. Is exactly what she needed.
I thought it was excellent.
She thought it was excellent. I think it could be a lot better. It's like a sanitized version of an Asian restaurant, an Asian pho place.
I didn't think it had enough ethnicity.
Yeah, authenticity, I would call it. There's just not enough authenticity in it. The food's good. I think there could have been more depth to it. So hit the subscribe button. That's our logo right up there. And you'll be notified when we drop new videos, whether it's for Babs Beauty Warehouse or for us. And you all have a great day.